What's going on, guys? So I did 3D printing in the United States by me. So first off, what is 3D printing? Well, 3D printing allows for the production and the creation of more detailed designs, and with these designs, it can get turned into a tangible object. 3D printing, once again, like I just said earlier, it takes the digital model, it turns into a 3D intangible object. Here we go. 3D printing in the United States. So the 3D printer is a type of industrial robot. Recently, 3D printing has expanded to encompass a wider variety of techniques like extrusion and sintering processes. There are now over 200 startup companies within the 3D printing community. So why use 3D printing? Well, 3D printing is less expensive, or it is inexpensive prosthetics, making spare parts, and can even make personalized products. 3D printing also is great for minimal waste, and 3D printing right now is super useful, but within the next couple of years, it will become much more popular. So when to use 3D printing? The most common way to use 3D printing um, is to quickly create product models and prototypes. The most common objects used through 3D printing are things like shoe designs, furniture, waxing sculptures, jewelry, tools, and a little more. Advantages of 3D printing. Well, the biggest advantage of 3D printing is definitely the speed. The speed is used to form rapid prototyping. Another advantage of 3D printing is costs. 3D printing is one of the most cost-efficient manufacturing processes right now. So, two truths and one lie. 3D printing is one of the most cost-effective manufacturing processes right now. The 3D printer is a type of industrial robot, or the 3D printing is the most common type of manufacturing process in the US. Thank you, guys. Peace.